faster because his deck angle is too steep. It's too slow. Thank you, Jim. Very much. Maybe it'll be better for us. We're losing. Two free offers that I'd like to present to you. Hi, I'm Henry Tenby, the founder of JetFlix TV, the new aviation video streaming service. If the video that you just saw is the kind of aviation content that you enjoy, then you and I are definitely of like minds. You can find the full-length version of the film that you just saw, plus hundreds of other one-of-a-kind classic aviation films on JetFlix TV. Most of these videos are between 30 and 60 minutes long, and they're more of a TV documentary-style viewing than a short YouTube video clip. My first free offer to you is to try watching 7 free videos from my JetFlix TV streaming service. Just click the sign up link that's visible in the upper right-hand corner of the video screen right now, or click the sign up link in the video description field below, and we'll send you your very first video immediately. And there's absolutely no obligation whatsoever. The video content that I'm sharing with you in these 7 free videos is totally unique, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And my second free offer for you is to join our mail list. That way, we'll send you an email each time we post a brand new video here on YouTube. As a free thank you gift, we have a 1.5-hour North Korean aviation holiday video for you. It was filmed by the North Koreans. It's totally unique and interesting, and there is nothing like it here on YouTube. I guarantee you'll enjoy it. Just click the link that's in the sign up pop-out on the upper right-hand corner of the screen right now, or you can click on the sign up link that's contained in the video description below. Please feel free to leave any comments that you have regarding this video, and click the like button if you happen to enjoy the show. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button that's in the lower right-hand frame of this video. Thank you very much.